Okay, so if you go away with one concept today, if you go away with one thing, it should be that there are endless numbers of things that you can do around your house in every room to save on energy. And part of that is the cost of water. Now, maybe you don't pay for water, maybe you do. But if you do this, you're going to be, it's going to be an environmentally conscious gesture. And when you get to a place where maybe you move or whatever, and you end up paying for water, we're all going to end up paying a lot less overall. The cost of water is also rising. It's something you want to think about. So here's one quick tip you can do in the washroom, okay, with your toilet to save big time on water. As a lot of you are probably aware, you can get energy-saved toilets and smart toilets and things like that manage the water use intelligently. These can cost a lot of money, and the installation is a big procedure, but this is something you can do in no time at all with things that you have lying around. Okay, so basically the idea, I don't know how much this holds, but it's a pretty average toilet tank. You probably have one that's very much like it. I've got 3 plastic water bottles here. Okay, now they've been used and I've just filled them back up with regular tap water. What that's going to do is equalize the pressure, let them sink to the bottom of the tank. Now, let's take off the top here. Pretty normal situation. We've got this guy that floats on top, and this is basically what's telling the toilet tank when it's full. So it doesn't know that we're going to be taking some volume out of the tank, and it's going to fill up to exactly the same level, but each time we flush, we're going to be using combined between 1, 2, and if you can fit them in there, 3 bottles. All toilets are going to vary. You might not get a good flush. 2 might be about as much as you can manage. But here I've got a half a gallon of water that I'm going to remove from this tank, and I'm going to be saving a half a gallon of water every time this toilet flushes. So you just kind of tuck these guys in wherever they fit. You want to make sure that you're not blocking the internal workings of the toilet tank. Okay, there are some moving parts in there. So you want to stay well out of the way and just sink these guys to the bottom. And there we go. It's not delaying, it's not stalling. It's going to work just like it normally does. It's going to think it's filling up. But, I mean, let's say you're in a family of 4 people, and let's say each one of those 4 people is flushing the toilet between 5 and 6 times every day. Well, each time that toilet flushes, you're going to be saving a half a gallon. And, I mean, when you get your water bill in a few months, those savings should really be reflected in a really, really big way. So that's just one of the many quick and easy things that you can do around the house to start saving money instantly. We hope this has been of some help to you, and we'll see you again next time.